Understanding Seasonal Transition, a guide to changes in the seasons. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our video on understanding seasonal transition. Today, we'll explore what this phrase means, how it affects our environment, and why it's important for us to recognize these changes. Whether you're learning English or just curious about the natural world, this video will help you grasp the concept of seasonal transition with ease. Let's dive in. The term seasonal transition refers to the period of change from one season to another. This is a natural process that occurs 4 times a year, marking the shift from winter to spring, spring to summer, summer to fall, and fall to winter. These transitions are not just about changes in the weather. They also affect plant life, animal behavior, and even human activities. Understanding these transitions can help us prepare for and adapt to the changing conditions. One of the most fascinating aspects of seasonal transitions is the signs that indicate a change is coming. These can include changes in temperature, a noticeable shift in weather, getting warmer or cooler, signaling the arrival of a new season. Flora and fauna, trees and flowers beginning to bloom or shed their leaves, and animals changing their behaviors in preparation for the coming months. Daylight hours. The length of the day either increases or decreases, depending on the transition from or to summer. Recognizing these signs can enhance our appreciation of nature's cycles and help us live more harmoniously with our environment. Understanding seasonal transitions is crucial for several reasons. Agriculture. Farmers rely on knowledge of seasonal changes to plant and harvest crops at the right times. Health. Changes in the season can affect our health, influencing everything from allergies to the prevalence of certain illnesses. Culture and tradition. Many cultures celebrate festivals and holidays that are tied to seasonal transitions, reflecting the importance of these periods in human life. By being aware of these transitions, we can better prepare for their impacts and appreciate the rhythm of the natural world. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and significance of seasonal transition. As we've seen, these periods of change are not just about the weather. They're a fundamental part of our environment, affecting nature, human activities, and even culture. By understanding and respecting these transitions, we can live more harmoniously within the natural cycles of our planet. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this explanation helpful.